Welcome to Shine Week with Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy and this is the channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. Okay, today is day 6 of Shine Week. And what we're going to make today, this is a pretty easy one too, but I bet it's going to be pretty delicious. Blackberry Moonshine. Okay, so how do we make Blackberry Moonshine? Alright, so okay, this is pretty simple to make. The very first ingredient we're going to use is, we want, and like I said before, I'll put the ingredients down in the description box. I want 1 cup of water. Okay, and I just got me a half gallon mason jar here. So I got 1 cup of water. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put in 2.5 cups of blackberries. 2.5 cups, maybe a little bit more. There's 1 cup. Let's pull out a 1/2 cup. Alright. 2.5 cups of blackberries. Alright. But after that, we're going to put in 1 cup of sugar. Just plain old table sugar. Alright. Okay, the next thing I want, and you could do this in a few different ways. You could either do a little lemon, or you could do a little lime, or I'm going to just put in 1 pinch of a citric acid. Okay? Alright, and then after that, basically you just add the amount of shine that you want. I mean, the recipe calls for 2 cups of shine. I have 2 3/4 cups. It might all go in there, you know what I mean? I think I will. I think what I'll do is two cups of shine. And you make it how strong you want it. Alright, and so what we'll do is we'll give this some time to infuse. Every once in a while come by and give it a good little shake. And then berries will give off their goodness. Alright, and that should be some good blackberry shine. Okay. I hope everybody enjoys this. Well, we'll come back in 2 weeks, and then what we'll do is we'll filter that out, and should be some pretty good shine. Alrighty. Well, that sugar will dissolve. Okay. I guess we'll see you in about 2 weeks on that, and we'll filter that out. See how it's progressing. Okay, we'll see you then. Okay, welcome back to Shine Week with Stillworks and Brewing. Okay, so it's been about 2 weeks, and this is our Blackberry Shine. Oh, look at the color on that. Ain't that fantastic? So what I want to do is, I want to strain out the blackberries. I hope it all fits. I believe this is going to be so darn delicious. Is it all going to fit in here? Oh yeah. All right. I'm going to let them sit there and drain for a few minutes. What that blackberry taste like? Ain't much flavor there. I think it's all in there. All right. So, well, she's still dripping. This is our Blackberry Shine. I want to taste it so bad. Okay. But we'll taste it on Sunday with the rest of them. This has been one fantastic series. I've been having a lot of fun with this, and I could have left them in there probably for another week or so, but there ain't much color left in that berry. But I probably could have left them in there another week or so. It extracted a lot of the flavor out, I would hope. So, what's going to go on next? Okay, so the next thing we'll do will actually be Sunday. This is Shine number 6. What we will do is, me and Laura, we're going to sit down, and we haven't tasted any. We're going to start with number 1 and go up to number 6, and we're going to taste them. And if I need to make improvements on it, I'll tell you. If they're perfect the way they are, I'll tell you that. So we're going to check it out and see what happens. A lot of these I have not made. Some I have. And then maybe later on in the year we can do this again if you like, and we'll get some ideas of different kind of shines, and I'll give you my opinion on. Alright? So, with that all being said, there's only one thing left. Hey, if you... what am I trying to say? All I want to do is, hey, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time here on Stillworks and Brewing. Cheers, everybody. Ooh, ain't that pretty?